In this video, I wanted to take a look at the Feiyu G6, which is probably the most advanced and feature-packed action camera gimbal I've tested. Let's take a look. The gimbal comes in a nice carrying case where you can find all the items you need to get started. The contents include the USB cable, another cable to charge the camera, extra mounting screws, and some paperwork. The build quality and choice of materials are excellent. The device is made mostly out of metal, except for the rubberized handle and plastic buttons. There are also quarter-inch threads on the side and on the bottom of the gimbal, so you can mount accessories like video lights, mics, or a tripod. In addition, you can charge your camera with a supplied cable. If you need to balance the gimbal, you can do it in just a matter of seconds by adjusting the back axis and tightening the knob. Pan and tilt axis can rotate 360 degrees, and rolling axis can rotate 320 degrees. I also like the fact that the back axis does not block the view of the display. The entire gimbal is splash-proof, which is really awesome, especially if you use waterproof camera like a GoPro. The control system is one of the most advanced on any action camera gimbal I've tested so far. The star of the show is the OLED display that shows all the info you need to know. You can make the best out of it if you use the GoPro or Sony RX camera and connect it to the gimbal via the Bluetooth, as it will show you all the settings, resolution, and other information. Also, you can control the action camera straight from the gimbal. Since I have the Yi 4K action camera, I cannot control it via the Bluetooth, but once you hit the record button on the camera, you can still use the joystick to move the gimbal around. There's also another control button that allows you to adjust the horizontal axis. I love the fact that all the axes move nice and smoothly, and they stop very gently after you release the joystick. The G6 gimbal has plenty of modes, and I will go through just a few of them. Single tap of the button switches between the panning and lock modes. Double tap the button and you'll enter the follow mode. Triple tap it for selfie mode, quadruple tap it to enter the auto rotation mode, and so on. If you press and hold the trigger button, you'll enter the lock mode, and if you double tap it, you will reset the gimbal position to the starting point. You can also shoot time-lapse photos and videos. These are just the main modes you can use with this gimbal. If you download the Feiyu On app, you can control the gimbal with your phone, and this feature works very well. You can also adjust quite a few settings like the motor speed, joystick sensitivity, auto rotation rate, and so on. In order to test the performance of this gimbal, I brought it with me on a boat ride, which can reach speeds up to 80 miles per hour. Even under these harsh conditions, when the wind was blowing all over the place, the gimbal performed really well. The footage comes out really nice and smooth. Just before we talk about the battery life, I wanted to say thanks to Feiyu for sponsoring this video. Feiyu is a mobile phone monitoring software that allows you to track and control any smartphone remotely. For example, this app is great if you want to track your kids' or employees' activity. All you have to do is follow easy steps to download and install the Feiyu app on the target device, set the permissions, and the user will not notice anything. All the instructions are on the Feiyu website. This app allows you to keep an eye on all messages sent via WhatsApp, Facebook, and Viber, identify the device location in case it is stolen or lost, access the email inbox and outgoing letters, track both incoming and outgoing calls, get a full access to all photos and videos on a monitored device, get control over browsing history of the device, and so on and so forth. I've tested this app on a few different phones and it's been working absolutely fine. If you are interested, make sure to check out the link in the video description down below. In terms of battery life, I could easily get over 10 hours of continuous use, which is a great result considering the fact that the stabilizer has a display. Overall, I really like the Feiyu G6 gimbal, and as I said in the beginning of this video, this is probably the most advanced action camera stabilizer I've tested so far. The price of about $240 may sound steep for some, but since it's hard to find any shortcomings of this device after using it for almost 1 month, I can easily recommend you checking it out. As always, you'll find all the links down below if you're interested. But what do you guys think about this action camera gimbal? Would you choose this one or would you choose another option? As always, use the comment section down below, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on social media for all the latest updates, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.